Hello students, welcome to Sourav's classes. Today we will be solving the NBHM PhD scholarship exam questions on the January 2018 paper. We will be solving the questions which came from the section 4, which deals with the calculus and the differential equations questions from the paper. Let's start off with question number 7 from the section. We need to write down the following ordinary differential equation as a system of first order differential equations. The differential equation that we've been given is y triple dash is equal to y double dash minus x square into y dash whole square. So this is what we are given. So what we'll try to do, this y dash, let y dash is equal to u and u dash we'll write as v. So now y triple dash is basically equal to y double dash dash. Now y double dash is basically equal to u dash dash and u dash is basically equal to v. So y triple dash basically comes down to v dash, and y double dash is basically equal to y dash dash of y dash. So this is basically equal to u dash and u dash is basically equal to v. So therefore this entire thing comes down as y triple dash is v dash, y double dash is v minus x square, and y dash is basically equal to u square, and this is the first order differential equation system that we are considering. First order differential equation. So today we have solved question number 7 from the section 4 of the NBHM 2018 paper. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.